How cool is that?
Yeah, it looks really cool.
I love the reflection in the glass window.
And you can even see it better.
Yeah.
You can see this thing closer.
Yeah, I know.
What do you think?
I love
This
it.
is one of the better views. It's better than the view downstairs.
Mm-hmm.
Hey!
Hey.
There's more.
So what's more?
Here.
Okay.
Including this.
Mm-hmm.
Where you can go upside down.
Okay.
Yeah. That.
Thanks.
But that's not the only thing about this spot. Look, there's lights on the trees.
I know.
One thing I have
And now
to
your face is all green. You look like from a witch musical, you know?
Well, it's because
Yeah.
there's a green light behind the
There's
camera.
a green light.
Yeah, and there's one behind.
Yeah, and your face was purple because when you were over there it was purple because it was reflecting. But there's also something else in the background. We don't quite know what that is.
This will contain multitudes.
Yeah. Okay, let me show the trees. I wanna show the trees. All the trees from here. Oh, look at those trees. And even the London Eye is lit purple.
So you can see
Okay, yeah. Yeah. We rise by. Oh, that's nice. I contain multitudes. Okay, like this. Yeah.
And look at this.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
There's a projection on the wall.
Uh-huh.
Can you see the projection?
Yes, I can. Can see the projection. That's quite cool. And you can even see that sphere.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can see the sphere from here as well. This is another sort of viewing point.
This
It's
here
pretty cool, man.
that we had earlier.
And you've got the skating park just underneath. We won't be able to sit from here. Yeah, the sphere is pretty cool. Oops.
Yeah.
Some funky lighting display here.
Welcome to Lambert.
Yeah. So that's the first one. What's on the second one? Person having a pizza. There's a bunny. Two bunnies. There's a globe ice cream. And the dream, oh look, dream big one. That's nice. Okay. That's a dream big. You like that one? Okay.
That's my